Oh, what's that? It's like a puzzle.
Yeah.
I think 4 boxes make one big box.
Yeah, you're right.
Oh, let's collect these boxes.
Okay.
Where's the paper? So here's the paper. I think the one color should be here and here. Other color will be here and here. Okay, and now I think. Wow!
Wow.
It worked!
Yeah.
And today, guys, I'm going to show you how to make an origami box. So let's get started. So for the origami box, we need a square shaped paper. Now we should fold it in half first and make the crease. We should unfold it and rotate and fold it in half again. And now make the crease. Unfold it, flip it. Now fold it as shown like this. Now drag the bottom part to the middle and the upper part also to the middle and make the crease. Unfold it, rotate and do the same thing. Unfold the left and right part and fold upper and lower part. Unfold a little bit. Now fold carefully like this. Now insert the parts that are outside of the box. Okay, now your box is done. So if you guys enjoyed the video, just smash the like button. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Bye!